I'm here with Magnus, and he is agreed to give us a little bit of insight into some of the breath work that I was so fortunate to be in a workshop and learn and believe is such a gift for everyone. So we're going to go through a few breathing exercises.
So breathwork is many modalities. Like we have down regulation and we can arise the energy. So we're going to go for a connecting breath. That's kind of really, people doing breathwork know that one. So connecting breath is like you're going from the, well, it's one inhale, but you use your stomach, you widen, that's the inhale, and then you exhale, and you take it in. So the breath actually go from the stomach, it's go 360 degrees to the back, drops into your heart and going down. And when we connect like the waves, well, it's, if I do like this, I go down, I rest, but I keep going. You can keep doing it for you, son. You don't have to use, I like to use the hands because I can see it, I can even give the color to the breath. But you can just drop the hands and go with the breathing. Like 360, from stomach, up, widening, going down, connected. And like a fingerprint, you have your own pace. It's not like rush it. Don't do it too slow, like you stretch yourself a little bit to it. So if we're going on for this for 2 minutes, we can do like a breath hold. We're not going to 2 minutes, but now I'm going to count you in and going to do a breath hold, okay? Let's go for the countdown. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, hold. So now you feel the tension. Relax into the tension. Actually relax, hold the body. Now the expansion, it's like you take a break from the life, you know. Just expand, feel sensation into the body. Actually, people can hold like 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. It's not a like you have to. If you drop like, you can drop it now. That's a common one. Now we're going to do a different approach to it. I call it the grandmother breathing. You know, we have the grandmother, we can just come there. She doesn't affair, you can just be there. She loves you. It can be a grandfather also. Don't demand anything from you, like holding space for you. So it's the same breathing, but now we do a different approach. We have to start a little bit like it's a male force, like it's direction, it's something, we build it up, you know, male force. This is more like a female touch. So for example, if I touch myself, this is the touch, well, I grab myself. But now I'm gonna do it really soft. So I'm gonna start, I have to start, so I do the same. Then I drop it. And I keep dropping. Now the grandmother coming in. See it dropping, it's just fall long, it's no rush, it's just organic, take it up again, do the 360. So that is the difference, and you can feel it, you have done it before. You get really deep inside. This is no forcing, just allowing, just being. You just feel the sensation in your body. Yeah, you see the drop is going more and more down, now you're into it. And now you can drop it, the last one, and return the breath to the body. Just relax. Feel it. So I can see the shift in your face when you're doing the grandmother breathing or the grandfather breathing. Can you feel it? Like,
I feel it.
For me it was like a new, like we know we have to force it, but we can actually do the opposite, like going back. But it's like the nature. Sometimes we have to go like a little bit of direction, like if we, for children. Well, for children always can be in the grandmother space, but maybe the grandfather, now you have to pick up some, chop some wood. With the, you know, sometimes you have to do that, you know. So it's like you can transform the energy, but the ground is like the grandmother, but from the heart. Then you can point. Get the shit together now. What you're doing, you know. You can use that one, but in the frame of love, you know. So that's the, for me, that is one of the most heart-touching breathing. And I have my own grandmother. Really, it was a free zone. I can just be there, you know. It's so
the personal
beautiful.
Connection to it is so beautiful, and the peacefulness
Yeah,
that I find in that one is actually transformative in your body.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, it is.
It is. To our grandmothers.
To our grandmothers and grandfathers, the
grandfathers.
ancestor,
And all of our
wherever they are,
ancestors
everywhere, you know.
who allow us to be
Under
in
us,
this space.
above,
all
you know.
around us. Hopefully all around
Yeah.
us. Yes.
Inside out.
Thank you. And if people want to learn more, Magnus, where do they find you?
Yeah, Instagram, yoga, yoga.mange. I'm gonna send it. We're gonna
We'll
keep
make
it
sure
out.
they can click
Yeah.
right on it.
You can
Yeah.
click on the bottom. Yeah.
And then breathe.
Click on the button.
Click on the button. And then breathe. Tranquility. Frenchitivity.
Yeah.
Just breathe.
Yeah.